Namaste, खुश रहो बिटियाओं. Today's topic is mixing of liquids, and for that, naturally, we need mixers. So, for mixing of the liquid, the most popular mixtures are propeller mixers. And in propeller mixers, actually, the mixing takes place in a cylindrical tank, and this tank is having impellers, and those impellers they rotate, and the mixing of the liquid food material takes place. What is important here? We have to avoid the swirling action. Otherwise, because of that swirling, what will happen? The very little mixing will take place. And vortex formation will also be there. If vortex formation is there, then mixer's efficiency will be poor and power consumption will be more. So we have to stop all these things. For that, stopping these, we use a arrangement, and that arrangement is known as baffle, or we call them baffles. And these baffles are fitted in the cylindrical tank. So when the baffles are fitted in the cylindrical tanks and the impeller is moving, then there is no vortex formation and no swirling actions. So what happened? The mixing is proper. Now let me show you the vortex formation. How does it happen? This is, you can see here, a vortex is formed if there is no baffle, and there are these two baffles, so there is no formation of the vortex. So when baffles are fitted in the cylindrical tank, there is no vortex formation. Without baffle, there are the vortex formation, and this vortex, I should use the word, hamper the proper mixing and leads to more power consumption. And an efficient mixing will take place, and enormous power consumption will be there. So that was something about the importance of baffles, stopping of the vortex, stopping of a particular swirling action, and enhancing the mixing efficiency. Or let me say like this, that nowadays we are not having any mixer for the liquid without baffles, which is having impellers also. So if we talk about the impellers, there are various type of impellers available. And these impellers, if you can see here in this big anchor impeller, gate impeller, and this is, this radial blade, pedal impellers looks like this, and this is helical impeller, this is propeller, and turbine vortex blade is here. So these are the various type of impellers, and these are the baffles. They all together, if used, give a very good mixing of the liquid, and no vortex formation will take place. So normally 4 baffles are used, and their width is being about 10% of the tank diameter. जो baffles का width होगा वो 10% of the tank diameter के, और उनका एक ही वर्क होता है to stopping the vortex formation. So that's how these liquid mixing of the liquid takes place, and that's how the mixing is done. And what type of impeller I will use, that depends upon the type of the liquid we are mixing, and the rheology of that liquid, and the shear rate we want to achieve. So according to that, we have to choose the mixer. And these mixers are mainly have the rounded bottoms to prevent the formation of dead spaces. So that was it about the mixers for the liquids and mixing of liquids. If you have any question, you can write that in my comment box, and I will answer that accordingly. Thank you very much.